How to create an Amazon wish list and share it. So first is to go to Amazon.com and then log in to your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, head over to Account and List and then click Create a List. So once you click Create a List, this prompt will appear. But if this prompt did not appear, you can just click Create a List. You would see this option beside List Help. So click this and the same prompt will appear. So name your list and then click Create List. So before you add any products to your wish list, go to More and then click Manage List. So if you want to share your wish list, make sure that this option is public. You can also input in your email, or you can add a description of this list. So if you want to put your shipping address, just click this drop down arrow button and you will see your address on the options below. So once you've added your address, you should see this option Share my shipping address with sellers. So this option is crucial, as when you enable this option, that whenever you share this wish list to other people, it will show them your address, which you don't want to happen. And so you can also customize this. So once you're done, just click Save Changes. So say for example you want to add earbuds on your wish list, so just search for that product. Say for example this product. And then scroll down and you should see this option Add to List. So click this drop down arrow button and select the correct list. So when we go back to that wish list, you would see the product added in your wish list. So to share this list to others, just click this Send List to Others. So obviously you only want them to view your wish list, so click View Only. And then click Copy Link. Now all you have to do is give the link to that person that you want to send your wish list to. And so that is how you create an Amazon wish list and share it. Thank you and have a great day.